And it's now time for the business day. VM Investments Limited is reporting a consolidated revenue of $1.3 billion in the first 6 months of 2025. This is a 30% increase over the second quarter of 2024 when normalized for its one-off gains.
So our performance, we spoke about NII continuing to outperform. Our net fees and commission actually did well. We were down on trading gains, and that was we actually spoke about that as a result of a Carolyn. And when you look at our total revenue, it was actually slightly down in comparison to prior year.
The company says it will continue working towards restoring profitability and managing risks for the rest of the year.
I think that the framework that we have across embedded in the organization is serving us well to manage the various, and they're numerous. You have cyber, you have credit, you have liquidity, name it, they're there. So they're in 2025, we understand the challenges that's facing financial institutions.
To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 837 points today, while the junior market index declined by 32 points. The winners included Kintar Holdings, KLE Group, ISP Finance Services, Sterling Investments, and Berger Paints Jamaica. The losers include A.S. Bryden & Sons Holdings, Productive Business Solutions 10.50%, Perpetual Cumulative Redeemable Preference Shares, Cargo Handlers, Express Catering, and One Great Studio Company, 19 stocks traded firm. The US dollar and Canadian and pound all gained on the Jamaican dollar today. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $161.30. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.96. The pound is going for $218.12, and the dollar gained on euro. However, it's selling for an average of $190.48. And that's it for the business day. International stories are next.